Hello, Asong Filipina here, and as you see, I have these boots, and for today's video, we're going to take off these latex boots. So this is just the outfit that I picked today. So I'm wearing this outfit because I also have some custom video today. But now we're going to take off these boots, and help me. So let's get started. It's just easy. So easy hard. Okay. Ta-da! So by the way, I changed my nail colors today from black to red. So this is a shiny red. So it's really shine and it's really beautiful. It's shiny red. This week I'm going to salon. So here we are, and if you want a custom video, message me to my Gmail account, and also you can also join to my Patreon and membership to my channel. Click the join button level 3, and then for more driving videos. So that's all for now, and I can see you next video. If you have any suggestion, just comment down below and let's make it happen. And if you have any questions, also comment down below for custom video to my Gmail account. See you there. Bye everyone. Love you all.